Beautiful souls. If you're over 50 and think it's too late to launch a business, you're wrong. You're not behind, you're right on time. Society whispers, slow down, retire, step aside. But truth is, midlife isn't the end. It's a launch pad. Many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs didn't start until after 50. Ray Kroc launched McDonald's at 52. Colonel Sanders, 65. Experience, patience, and perspective. That's your competitive advantage. At 50 plus, you've lived, you've learned. You know what matters and what doesn't. You've built networks, resilience, and grit. You may even have more freedom, fewer family obligations, some financial stability, and a deeper sense of purpose. And guess what? Today's tools make starting easier than ever. Want to write? Consult? Start a digital course? Turn a lifelong hobby into income? You don't need a storefront or a tech degree. You just need clarity, courage, and a first step. The internet has leveled the playing field, and there's never been a better time to build something meaningful your way. Still scared? That's normal. But fear is just a sign you're stepping into something that matters. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what if I fly? Your life experience is not a burden. It's and it's time to use it. So if you're 50, 60, 70 plus, you're not too late. You're perfectly positioned. Don't retire your dreams. Refire them. Subscribe, and let's make your next chapter the most powerful one yet.